Hello YouTube, Stout79 is back. Got my third and last mystery ball bag from Tiger Stadium, or actually Comerica Park. And go on MLBauthentication.com. I got 2 game used balls. And we got hopefully an autograph. Nope. Another game used ball. Well, this one's dirty. It's kind of nasty looking. Got some chunks missing out of this one. Yeah. And now we look this one up. Up there. Alright, let's see what we got first try. And authenticate. Matt Carson versus Joaquin Benoit. Benoit, he's not too bad. But there you have it, YouTube. Detroit mystery ball bags. 3 game used balls. And that's it. Have a good night. I'll probably do another one tomorrow. Going back to the game, so hopefully it's an autograph. There you have it, YouTube. Good night.